Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei channel. Today in this video we are going to do this shaking to a new card magic trick in HitFilm Express. So this is another one of those where it is easiest to just do the simple thing, right? And that is to make a hidden cut on the shake itself. So as soon as the shaking happens right here in the middle, I just cut. Then you can see that I just swap out, and you can see that as I am coming back down with the swipe there, that would be a good place for a cut. Now I just grab that middle piece, right click, and ripple delete the object. And so now I start the shaking process and it becomes a different card. And it's literally that simple to do. And it's very easy. Sometimes the easiest solution is the best one, and this is one of those cases. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.